Where is SWS headed now? There is a saying, to get where you want to go, remember where you came from. New knowledge develops best by consciously building on existing knowledge. SWS has the Philippines' most comprehensive collection of survey data dealing with governance, democracy, and inclusive social development. As of mid-2010, SWS has recorded the sentiments of 500,000 Filipinos, responding to over 50,000 questions in nearly 400 surveys, of which half were done nationwide. The potential knowledge that can be extracted from analyzing data from the grassroots on virtually all the important social issues of the past 25 years is unlimited. The SWS Data Archive is dynamic. It will grow in the future in line with a steady stream of new SWS surveys. SWS will continue its work of updating the core social weather indicators, surveying new topics, and innovating in survey methodology. But in addition, SWS will do more to enhance the value of its data, not only to general users, but also to the social science community in particular. SWS aims to establish modern facilities for permanently preserving and safeguarding its dynamic collection of survey data, identifying and cataloging the survey data, searching for the relevant data, integrating survey data across variables and across points of time and space, both domestically and internationally, and retrieving and distributing survey data to the public for independent study and analysis. SWS envisions establishing a new SWS Knowledge Center.
What we're looking forward to is a knowledge center that will embody what SWS stands for, and that is a symbol of the science of times. The other thing that we want the building to symbolize is the current trend of sustainability. This ability to grow actually will also symbolize SWS's ability to store more information in the future.
SWS, the Philippines' leading research institute on quality of life, public opinion, and governance, has come up with a vision to house the new facilities for both internal and public use.
Ngayon, sa mga maraming datos na nakuha ng SWS sa mga survey nito, kailangan na merong pasilidad ang SWS para maitago yung mga surveys na nagawa namin. No? Kasi sinasabi namin, kung ang isang bagay ay mahalaga, kailangan ito ay ma-monitor.
So if more and more scholars who are also familiar with other data sets can somehow relate this to SWS dataset, I think more juice can be extracted from the resource called SWS. There are certain very valuable findings that could still be found if more people work on the data.
Sana matutong magamit ng research community natin itong mga data ito. Data cannot be consumed. Can be studied and restudied, but it cannot be consumed as though once it's used by one person, wala ang kwenta. They're like great books. Read them again, lend them to other people, let them be read. And now we cannot let it stop. You know, this is not a one-time thing. See, this must be a continuing process. We have to keep up with the technology to make it possible to retrieve, search, get the components that you want, get the things that you want, and spread it around.
The Knowledge Center contains our data sets. These data sets are byproducts of our work. Most of the people taking graduate work in the Philippines and in the universities around us would be going to the Knowledge Center to pick up their data sets so that they can make comparisons between what it is now and what it was before, and trace that development over time. That's really going to be a gold mine in the next 20 years.
A repository for the voices of the Filipino people.